Magandang Jensan, home of the champions. Ayan, buhay na buhay po tayo. Nawala na po yung mga agang-agang nito. So, I hope you will enjoy. So again, maraming salamat Secretary Cristina Garcia Pasco. Welcome again, ma'am. Joel, of course.
Headed by the very beautiful Miss Cristina Garcia Frasco, to the travel and tour operators, the press media and influencers, and
Surgeon, all groups are in the mainstream of the society. That's the reason for our warm, because everybody is there, Blaan, Tiboli, Magindanawan, Cebuano, and all the others. We're all living together in harmony. Almost all of the staff, ang amin po talagang goal dito ay ubusin po ang inyong mga pera na dala. Marami po tayong display from Malungon to Lake Cebu to Sultan Kudarat and Cotabato Province. That's the reason, if you notice in your tickets, ang inyong Manila Jensen of 20 kilograms and going home 40 kilograms. Kasi marami po kayong bibigyan dito.
10:30 rather, we'll be having our lunch. 10:30.
My name is Oyo, that's my Tibono name. But when I school, nakapag-aral kaya Maria Goldie. So,
thank you.
Dito lang. So, i-fold lang siya into dito lang.
So get your two bow and do it on the actual one.
ang regular size ng aming mano, masyado siyang malaki. So, ang ginawa namin is na ipo-fold natin pabalik pa doon. Ipasok natin yung ating para. Okay? Yan. Pasok mo lang ganyan. And then, pasok mo lang. So, for the use of, ang tawag namin dito is cloth foil. Malit yung paggamit. Ang dapat yung buckle, ito, dapat nasa harap. Kasi meron, pagkagat kayo, para ano siya, hindi siya mag-pangulong. Dapat medyo in the morning, they're interested in multiple outfit siya. Nasa Lotus Garden sila. For the information pala, yung mga maiikli ang buhok, hindi kaya dito sa ano. Iba naman ang paggamit ng mga lalaki. So, yan. Ganyan lang. Hindi siya. Nay, thank you so much. Salamat.